Alright, Scalarly is back. Today, you will learn how to put Google Docs in steroids. I am going to share you 3 add-ons in Google Docs that will definitely elevate your Google Docs game and possibly your life. So, let's go. Step 1. Add-ons. Go to your Google Docs. On the upper corner you will see the button Add-ons or extension. Then click Add-on. You will be flooded with options that you would not use, like Netflix movies. Since I am a Chad, and you cannot live without me, I made a conscious effort on which apps are the most efficient and most important for your Google Docs game. Add-ons number 1, Plagium. This add-on is a lie detector of Google Docs. This makes sure that the text is original, and it has not been copied from a different website, making sure that the documents you received are legit and pure, not like your ex. Number 2, Translate Plus. Although Google Docs already have a translate tool, but the problem is that it translates the entire text. This add-on will translate specific text and paragraph, depending on your language preference, so you do not have to Google Translate every word and phrase, and it's going to take you so much time to do it one by one. So, there you go. Third, and my favorite, One-Look Thesaurus. This is for people who are doing narrative writing, short stories, and the likes. This allows you to seamlessly find synonyms, antonyms, and helps you to find the right word that would suit your intent. This is your lifesaver if you are creating editorial writing. So, are you already impressed? Fascinated? Dazzled? Enchanted? You saw what I did there? But caution! Important reminders. To be able to see the add-ons, you've put recipient or the person you're sending to should have the add-ons installed in their Google Docs. If not, do not make friends with them if they did not elevate their add-ons like you did. Another thing, add-ons are created by third-party creator. So, make sure you do your own homework and due diligence on prospecting the add-ons you're planning to get. Rule of thumb here would be good reviews equals good app. You already know this stuff. So that's it. Use this 3 amazing add-ons for your next projects. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone that I helped you out. Let me know, what do you want to tackle next? Scalarly out.